Have you ever wanted to modify an Excel worksheet, but it's protected with a password? Well, Microsoft Excel doesn't actually store the password, but a 15-bits key is generated from each password instead. In other words, 2 raised to the power 15. Which means there's only 32,768 total key possibilities to crack any password. This means there are billions of passwords that generate the same key. These keys are equivalent. You can unprotect different passwords with the same key. This method uses a macro with an algorithm found easily on internet, which covers the 32,768 key possibilities. It should crack a key within 1 minute maximum. First of all, make sure the Developer tab is displayed in the Excel ribbon. To do this, go to the File tab, then choose Options. Go to Customize ribbon and select Developer, click OK, and close the Options dialog. Click on the Developer tab, and then on Visual Basic. Select the worksheet or select the whole workbook you want to hack. Then go to the Paste bin link in the description. Copy and paste all the code here. Then click on Macros in the Developer tab, and select the macro just created. The generated key for the worksheet or workbook should be found very quickly. However, it's impossible to find the actual password, but this should not matter, because all you want to do is hack a worksheet to modify it. And you can use the same key to restore the same protection. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Feel free to comment and make sure to subscribe and check out my channel for other videos.